In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to change your bio on the Threads app. If you're new to Threads and have just signed up, you have two options to create or modify your bio. One option is to import the bio you have on your Instagram account, and the other is to create a completely new one. Let me guide you through the process. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. In the profile section, you'll find the Edit Profile option towards the top left. Tap on it. Within the Edit Profile section, you'll see the Bio field. Tap on it to edit your bio. If you want to import your Instagram bio, there's an option at the very bottom to do so. Tap on it, and the text from your linked Instagram bio will be automatically pulled into Threads. You can choose to use the same imported bio or customize it to your liking. Feel free to use different fonts, styles, emojis, and other formatting options similar to how you would on the Instagram app. Once you're satisfied with your bio, tap the Done button at the top right to save your changes. Additionally, you can also tap the Done button on the Edit Profile page to confirm your changes. After making the changes, you'll notice that your Threads bio is now updated under your username. I hope this guide helps. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon